Hi children, the lesson we are going to do today is in your maths workbook, page number 72. Okay, so I hope you remember your past lessons where we are doing subtraction. No, all these lessons are on subtraction. Okay, now today also if you look at the page, you can see it's subtracting two-digit numbers. Okay, now first we learned in our previous lessons, we learned how to subtract in one-digit number, in one-digit numbers where it's a number above and below, only two numbers. Then we learned word problems. Today we are going to learn about subtracting with two-digit numbers. Okay, right. Now look at the page. Right. From 44, let's subtract 2. So now you remember children, we did tens and units. You remember now when you see these bars, there are 4 tens. No? Can you see the 4 10 bars? Yes. And then 4, the units is 4. No? Can you see? They have given us the 4 units on its own. So what are they telling us? From 44, let's subtract 2. Okay, so now how have they written this sum? First, 44 means 4 tens and 4 units, right? So they have written 4 tens and 4 units. Then they want us to subtract 2. That's why they have circled the 2. Can you see they have circled the 2? So that 2 you will write under units. You will write under units. Then what do you do to get the answer? You subtract, you subtract, you take away or you cut. Now I have explained in the previous lessons. So when they say subtract, you should know what you do. Okay, so from 4 you subtract 2 or you take away 2. The answer is 2. Then in the tens there is 4, right? So there is nothing to subtract because that space is empty. So you bring the 4 down. So the answer is 42. So left is 4 tens, 2 units are left. So the answer is 4 tens and 2 units. Okay. So now the next one they want you to do on your own. Okay. Now let's see how we are going to do it. They are saying now subtract these and write the sum. So now we have to write, this is like a word problem. Now we have to write it. Now we have to fill in this column to get the answer. So now how many bars are there? How many 10 bars? There is 1 10 bar. So you will write 1 under the column 10. How many units are there? Altogether how many units? There are 5 units. So we will write 5 under the units. Okay. Then just they have circled 3 units. They have circled 3 units. So what will we do there? We will write the 3 under the units. Now we have to subtract. We have to subtract or cut. So 5 subtract 3 or 5 take away 3. What is the answer? It's 2. So we'll write 2 at the bottom. Then on the tens side there is 1. Right? We don't have to deduct anything. We have to just put the subtract sign below that. And then so what happens is we bring the 1 down. Okay. So what is the answer? Now on the left hand side we have to write. So what is the answer? 1 10 and 2 units. The answer is 1 10 and 2 units. Okay. Right. Let's go to the next sum. Now how many tens bar are there? There are 2 10 bars. So under the tens we will write number 2. How many unit bars are there? How many units? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So under units we will write 8. Okay. Now they have blocked 4 units. This is the amount that they want us to deduct from this total amount. So how many are in the box here? There are 4, right? There are 4 units. So the 4 units we will write under units, under 8 because it's units. So now how do we find the answer? How do we find the answer? From 8 we subtract 4 or From 8 we take away 4. What is the answer, children? It's 4. No, when from 8 when we subtract 4, the answer is 4. So we will write it at the bottom there. So then in the tens column there is only 2 tens. No, below the 10 there is nothing. We can put the subtract mark there. So we don't have to subtract anything. No, it's empty. So what do? We bring the 2 down. We bring the 2 down. So what is the answer? 24. No, so how many are left when we subtract the 4 units? It's 24. No, so we'll write 2 tens and 4 units. So in these 2 columns we'll write 2 tens and 4 units. Okay, so let's go to the third one now. How many 10 bars are there? There are 3. No, can we count? 1, 2, 3. So under the tens we will write 3. Now all together how many unit bars are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So under units we will write 6. Okay. Now they have boxed out 4 units. No, 4 units. They want us to deduct these 4 units from the total of 36. So this 4 we will write under units. So under the 6 we will write 4. Okay. So now to get the answer, what have we to do? We have to subtract. So 6 minus 4, or from 6 take away 4. What is the answer? It's 2. So we will write 2 under units in the box. Then when we go to the tens column, is there anything below 3? No, we'll just put the subtract sign. No, so there is nothing to subtract in the tens. So what do? We bring the 3 down. No, we bring the 3 down to the box. So the answer is 32. So how many are left? What are we going to write in this box? How many tens are left? 3 tens and 2 units. So the answer is 3 tens and 2 units. Okay, children. So this is how we subtract the 2-digit numbers. So I hope you understood this lesson, children, and I hope you will be able to do the next set of sums when I give them to you. Okay, children, till I connect with you next. Bye.